Okay, so this is lecture number 2, video lecture 2. That's what 10 questions in a day. 10 questions in a day. Every day 10 questions. Every day 10 questions. Okay, 10 questions we need to have. First 10 questions in a lecture 1 is completed, and lecture 2 is what? There are 10 questions. Let us see this. First one, equation of stationary wave as given. Equation of stationary wave. So this is what y is equals to, okay, this 2a sine 2 pi nt by lambda cos 2 pi x by lambda. Which of the following is not correct? This is from JEE 2024. Okay, so from the year 2024. Yes, so it is based on dimensional analysis. First, let me write the equation of stationary wave. Okay, so this is what? Equation of stationary wave. Yeah, equation of stationary wave. Yes, so this y is equals to 2a sine 2 pi nt by lambda cos 2 pi x by lambda. Yes, so compare this equation with the stationary wave, equation of stationary wave. What is the equation of stationary wave? Y is equals to, so 2a sine omega t cos kx. 2a sine omega t cos kx. Okay, so what is omega? Omega t. This is what? Omega. Yes. So what is k? K is what you say? It's a like. This is what? Here is the k. Right. So what is the omega? Now first I am writing about omega is equals to, omega is equals to 2 pi n by lambda. Omega is equals to 2 pi n by lambda. Right. So now 2 pi n by lambda. Omega. So first I am asking about this. Dimensionally I am checking on this is what? Nt. Next one is n. Next one is what? Dimension formula of n by lambda and dimension formula of x. Okay. So let me check on this one. Dimension formula of x. X is what, ma? From this dimension formula of x is equals to what? Dimension formula of L only. Yes. X dimension formula is what? This. Is asking which is the not correct one. Yes. So next one, here n by lambda, n by lambda. 2 pi has no dimensions because it's a constant, right? So this is what? N by lambda is proportional to, that's what? Omega. So that's what? N by lambda. Dimension formula is equals to omega means what? It's a 2 pi by t. Correct? So dimension formula of n by lambda is equals to what you say? It's a t inverse. Dimension formula of n by lambda is equals to, it's a t inverse. What is here? It's a t. Yes, it's a t. So which is the wrong answer? Wrong answer is what? Not correct means what? So this is the answer is this. This is the answer. So here is the question number 2. According to the principle of homogeneity, dimensions, okay, determine which one is correct. So it's a which one is correct. This question is based on principle of homogeneity. Okay. So what is the principle of homogeneity? Principle of homogeneity. Okay. Principle of homogeneity. For the principle of homogeneity, LHS left hand side, dimension formula of left hand side is equals to dimension formula from right hand side. Principle of homogeneity, physical quantities of same dimension formula can be added, subtracted, next one equated. So this will be equated. So just I am checking as this. T square, okay, 4 pi square r cube, next one gm. Let me check the dimensional formulae. First I need to write dimensional formulae. So dimensional formula of T, time is what? It's a T only. Next, dimensional formula of R is what? This is what? It's a L. And dimensional formula of G is what you say? It's a universal gravitational constant. So from where you get F is equals to G into M1 M2 by what? R square. G is equals to what you say? Fr square by M1 M2. Okay. So dimensional formula of G, M minus 1 L cube T minus 2. M minus 1 L cube T minus 2. Next one, dimensional formula of mass is what you say? It's a capital letter M. What is this? M only. Okay. Now you check on this first. So first I am checking about this is what? Dimensional formula of this, dimensional formula of R cube by GM. Check it. R cube, what is this? L cube by G, M minus 1 L cube T minus 2. It's what? Capital letter M. These two will cancel. Okay. So it's what? L cube and L cube cancel. What is this? T square. What is the LHS? T square. So sorry, T square is equals to what? This. What is the answer? Option 3. First one, linearly if you are talking about. Impulse is what? Impulse is F into T. F into T is change in momentum. So linear impulse produces what? Linear momentum. It's an angular impulse. Angular impulse produces angular momentum. Angular momentum means angular change in momentum is better. It's a change in momentum. Angular change in momentum means what? L. This is what? MVR. So angular impulse dimensional formula is equals to, so it's a dimension of M, dimension of V and dimension of R. M dimensional formula capital M and V is what? LT power minus 1. R is what? It's a L. This is what? M L square T minus 1. M1 L square T minus 1. M L square T minus 1. Option D is your answer. Question number 4. The question number 4 is, consider two physical quantities A and B related to each other. This is mentioned. Some here E is equals to, this is what E. E is the energy is equals to B minus X square by AT, where E is energy, X is the position, T is what? Time. First, to checking about dimensional analysis, for every time you should know about this. What is the dimensional formula of given physical quantity? Okay. So dimensional formula of energy. First I am writing about dimensional formula of energy. What is this? ml square T minus 2. Dimensional formula of position X. What is that? It's a L only. Right. And next one. So dimensional formula of time, it's a T. Yes. Now I am taking about from the dimensional analysis. Okay. This is from dimensional analysis. So it's a principle of homogeneity actually this. So this is what? Principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. So what is the principle of homogeneity? So it's what? Plus minus equal. It means what? The dimensional formula means physical quantities here, they have same dimensional formula, can be equated, added, subtracted. Okay. So here I can say this is what? It's E dimensional formula is equals to, so dimensional formula of B minus X square by what? A T. Okay. So from this you can understand from here, this is what? B minus X square. B minus X square. From B, X square is subtracted. It means what? Dimensional formula of B is equals to what? L square. Okay. So is the first condition. Dimensional formula of B is equals to what? You say this is what? It's a L square. Next one, I'm equating them. Dimensional formula of E is equals to dimensional formula of B by AT is equals to dimensional formula of x square by AT is the case, right? So now I'm making these two equal. That's what dimensional formula of energy. Okay, so dimensional formula of energy. The energy dimension formula is equals to, so B by A T. Okay, so next one, this is what ml square T minus 2 is equals to, B is what it say, L square by A and dimension formula of T. So now L square and L square cancel. Yes, this T comes here, then what? 1 by A is equals to M T minus 2 and T. Okay, so M T minus 1 is equals to 1 by A. So dimension formula of A is equals to, what is this? So M minus 1, it's a T. This is what A, right? So now I'm talking about, what is asking about? It's A and B. Okay, AB, AB. Okay, so just let me check about this. Is what A, B dimensional formula is equals to, what is A? M minus 1 T, and B is what it's a L square. Now here M minus 1 L square, it's a T is my answer. Okay, M minus 1 L square T, option 2. This is the question which is very important relation. So it is one of from dimensional analysis. So dimensional analysis, three ways are there, you just for recollecting. One is what? Conversion of one system of units into another system. And the second one is, so to check the correctness of equation. And third one is what? This, to find the relation between physical quantities. Okay, so now the first one I'm talking about, what is given here, the situation, what is this? V is equals to lambda power A, G power B, rho power C. Okay, first I'm writing about V is equals to lambda to the power of A, G to the power of B, and rho to the power of C is my given relation, right? So now I first, next step what to do, I need to write the dimensional formula. Okay, so I need to write the dimensional formula. Dimensional formula is what? Dimensional formula of speed. Okay, this is equals to, what is this? LT inverse. And dimensional formula of lambda. Okay, if you write about, it's a lambda. Lambda is what? It's a length, right? And G, dimensional formula of acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration only. Acceleration means what? LT minus 2. Okay, and dimensional formula of rho, density. Density is equals to what? Mass per volume. So this is what? It's M L to the power of minus 3. Okay, so next step, first I written that dimensional formula of all given quantities. Okay, so next one I'm talking about, let me substitute in this. So what is this? Velocity L T minus 1 is equals to, next one lambda, it's a L to the power of A. Okay, next one, it's a G, L T minus 2, okay, to the power of B. Next one, rho, density is what? M L minus 3 to the power of C. So this is what? M0 L T minus 1 is equals to L to the power of A, L to the power of B, T power minus 2B, and M power C, and L power minus 3C. Okay, so this is equals to M0 L T minus 1. Okay, is equals to, so what are the L terms here? L power A, B, and this. So L to the power of A plus B minus 3C. Okay, M to the power of C, and T power minus 2B. Okay, comparing the terms. Okay, compare terms. Comparing the terms. So what are the comparing terms you see now? First one, power, M power 0. 0 means what? Compare the terms of this M. Then what happened? This C is equals to what? It's a 0. Okay, is my first relation. And comparing the terms of L, okay, this L is what? L to the power of 1. 1 is equals to, okay, so 1 is equals to, what is there? A plus B minus 3C. C is what? 0. A plus B is equals to 1 is the next relation. And comparing the terms of T, okay, so comparing the terms of what is it say? T. Then what? Minus 1 is equals to minus 2B. Then B is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. It's a B is equals to 1 by 2. Now if B is equals to 1 by 2, you can substitute here. A plus from this 1 by 2 is equals to 1. A is minus 1 by 2. A is equals to what? It's a 1 by 2. Okay. A is 1 by 2. B is 1 by 2. And C is what? It's a 0. Your answer is A.